Hello yogis, and welcome to the YOGATX channel. This practice is for before bed. So it's meant to ground you, to bring your energy of the day down. So if you're feeling like it's gonna be hard for you to get to bed tonight, the mind is still racing, the body is feeling tense, you're in the perfect place and this is the perfect practice for you. My name is Jill Enticknap and I'm the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio, and I feel so honored to be here on the YOGATX YouTube channel with you today. For today's practice, I recommend that you have a blanket or a pillow handy and something to prop yourself up against. We're going to go legs up the wall, but you can go legs up the side of your bed, legs up the side of the bathtub, legs up the headboard. I mean, it doesn't matter as long as you have something that you can prop the legs up onto. And I like to take a blanket and place it right at the base of the wall. Now, it's not always easy to do this and it can look and feel a little bit awkward, and that's totally okay. I promise you, it will be worth it in the end. So scoot yourself nice and close to the wall, sideways, and then let's shift the legs up, 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 up. See, that wasn't awkward at all. I don't know about you, but that was pretty smooth on my end. Allow that blanket to be underneath the hips. And let's start by cactusing out the arms. Close down your eyes. And let's tap into the breath here. Take a moment to acknowledge how grounded your shoulders feel. Take a moment to acknowledge how grounded your hips feel. And allow yourself to fully sink and settle into the space beneath you. Imagine the body heavy into the floor. Imagine the legs light against the wall. And in this moment, I encourage you to repeat in your mind's eye, I am supported. I am supported. In this moment, feel the support of the floor beneath you and the wall under your legs. Take a couple more deep breaths. Take the right ankle above the left knee or anywhere along that left leg and let the right knee fall open. Let's take both hands and rest them on the body, whether they're on the heart, whether they're on the belly. Just allow them to rest on the body. Reconnect to your breath, feeling the inhale expand and feeling the exhale release. Just allow yourself to create some peace, create some stillness, create some presence to end your day and wind down. Let's switch out the legs, sending the right foot back up the wall and taking the left ankle anywhere along that right leg, letting the left knee fall out. Connect to the breath. Feel your inhale expand and your exhale release. allowing yourself to feel grounded. Feel supported. Take that left leg, send it back up the wall. We're going to take both feet and plant them on the wall, bringing the knees wide, coming into a supported yogi squat. Now you decide what angle feels right for your feet. The angle of the feet are directly connected to the angle of the hips. So the more the feet angle out, the more opening you're going to feel in the hips, or maybe even the more tension, depending on how open your hips are. Now, if it's too much, you can just bring the toes and point them a little bit more toward the ceiling and decrease that angle, and notice how that changes the sensation through your hips. There is no right or wrong way to do this. There is no right or wrong angle. You're looking for what feels right and good in your body in this moment. If you're looking for more sensation, go for more sensation. If you're looking for less, go for less. You decide. Come back to your breath, and as you exhale, just really allow the spine to sink into the floor. Start to heel toe the feet toward one another. Maybe they touch, maybe the knees touch. Let's take the right hand to the outside edge of the left knee and start to walk the feet over to the right side, coming into a twist. Extend the left arm out and gaze out over the left shoulder. Just come to a point where you can feel twist through your torso. And let's take 5 rounds of deep breath here. One more full belly breath in. And exhale, release. Draw the belly button to the spine, let it all out. Start to heel toe those feet, walk them back through center. Find that center space with the feet. Extend the right arm out, take the left hand to the outside edge of the left knee and walk those knees over to the left side. Find that twist. You can gaze out over the right shoulder. Deep breaths here. Anytime we twist, we're benefiting our digestion, our digestive system. So whatever you had throughout your day, you're just really helping move that along. Let's take 2 more deep breaths here. And then start to walk the feet back through center and send your legs straight back up the wall. Tee out the arms, flipping the palms facing down as we find that nice, stable, supported legs up the wall. It's said that 5 minutes before bed can change your quality of sleep. It can help your digestion. It can ease anxiety. It can create peace and calm within the body and the mind. Let's focus on our breath. Let's take a moment here and roll out the ankles. I want you to know that you can extend your time with legs up the wall. There is going to be nothing but benefit with being here for longer. Or you can start to slowly shift your way over to the right or left side. Whichever side you come down to, use that bottom hand as a pillow and just allow yourself to find that fetal position. Use the top hand, press yourself away from the floor, lifting your upper body up. Be slow, be gentle. Let's find our easy seat. Ground down into your sit bones, get nice and tall. Press your palms through heart center, tuck your chin to your chest. As you head to bed, I encourage you to connect to some positive affirmations about the rest that you're going to experience as you go to bed. I drift off to sleep with ease and peace in my heart. I welcome a restful night's sleep. My mind and body are ready for bed. Thanks for being here with us on the YOGATX YouTube channel. I hope that this helps you, and when it does, I hope that you come back to this video over and over again, knowing that whenever you're feeling like you need some grounding, like you need a little sleep aid, this is a very, very natural offering. My name is Jill Enticknap, lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. My videos come out every Wednesday. I encourage you to subscribe. I encourage you to leave comments, encouragement, inspiration, not only for our team here at YOGATX, but also for other yogis. I hope to see you again on your mat very, very soon. And until then, good night, and may your light be your guide.